Hey guys, hope you guys had a great spring break. Liberal arts math. All right, let's talk. So, you guys had off this past week. We're going to stick with the 12 topics, okay? I know that things, for some of you, the topics are getting tougher, so that means you need to reach out to me or you need to do some researching online, okay? I would obviously prefer if you came to me, but I understand that there are other resources out there that can help you learn. Um, 12 topics, all right? That's not a lot, all right? If you think about it, it's 2.5 a day. It's less than that, actually. I did the math. Um, but this is the last quarter, guys. You're in the home stretch, okay? So you just gotta plow through this, and then that's it. All right. So 12 topics, 120 or the 120 minutes, unless you get the 12 topics done, and then I'll give you the time, okay? And then your work, okay? So some of you guys have not been submitting the work on there. Don't forget that's worth points as well, okay? All right. If you need help, please let me know. All right. I'm gonna keep on you guys. All right. This is the last. This is the last hit. This is the home stretch. All right. Let me know if you need help. I will see you guys later.